Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Sarina Espaloma at yung ilalahad kong aking itunan para sa daily devotion na pinamagatang Bakit ang salvation ay by works din? No, so ang ating concept is grace. Grace meanings is God's goodness freely given in those who deserve only punishment. So ating scripture is Ephesians chapter 2 verses 8 to 9 na sinasabi, For it's by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourself, it is the gift of God, not by works, so no one can boast. So ang ating katuruan is number 1, salvation is by works. If we can